Hello, my name is Dr. Sai Kottapalli. I'm one of the vascular surgeons here at Vegas Vascular Specialists. I've completed 5 years of integrative vascular surgery training at University of Buffalo, and during my time, I've done close to 2,000 vascular surgery procedures, anywhere from surgery in the carotid arteries in the neck, aneurysms in the belly, in the chest, and peripheral arterial disease within the lower legs, as well as people that suffer from venous disease. And I'm happy to join Dr. Eddie Liu and Dr. Huey McDaniel here at Vegas Vascular Specialists in order to provide the Las Vegas community with the vascular care it needs. Being a vascular surgeon, we're trained in both open and endovascular techniques. So you must have heard about providers that do procedures that are minimally invasive with just a needle stick. So there are patients that might benefit from those kind of procedures. So as vascular surgeons, we're trained in doing those procedures as well. But in addition to that, some patients might benefit more from the open surgical procedures for more of a durable result. As vascular surgeons, we're capable of offering our patients both open and endovascular procedures, whichever best suits a patient's needs. The patients and hospitals that we work with that deal with Vegas Vascular Specialists, I think it's important for us to be able to express what a vascular surgeon offers. As I mentioned, vascular surgeons not just focus on endovascular procedures, which are what we call minimally invasive procedures, but in patients that are not suitable for those procedures, we also offer them open surgical procedures. And for us, being surgeons, as much as we love doing surgery, most of the time that we spend in the clinic, we spend trying to counsel our patients on how to prevent vascular disease and how to prevent their vascular disease from getting worse. So I think it's important for our patients to realize that as surgeons, it's not just cutting and fixing people, but also managing our patients on a long-term basis. When it comes to vascular disease and disease of the arteries or the veins, there's so many broad aspects of it, and it's really important for you to be able to pick a provider that can treat your vascular disease that's experienced as much as possible. And the reason for that is there's so many variables when it comes to vascular disease that can be treated by many different specialists, but at the end of the day, you want to make sure you pick a specialist that's able to monitor your progress and make sure your disease is under control and it's not progressive over time. And a vascular surgeon is somebody that would be able to provide you with those services. The important thing to keep in mind when it comes to Vegas Vascular Specialists is that we have 3 board-certified fellowship-trained vascular surgeons and that have trained over the years in just the field of vascular surgery and the diseases that involve the vascular surgery. We're not surgeons that treat the heart, we're not surgeons that treat the brain, but we're surgeons that treat all the blood vessels, and whether that's using a needle with minimally invasive technique or an open surgery, we're able to provide that. And when we look at Nevada and Las Vegas in general, there's not a lot of vascular surgeons that are within the town, and it's one of the underserved specialties, and that's what we're trying to provide and try to improve upon when we talk about Vegas Vascular Specialists. If you're interested in knowing more about your vascular disease or have your vascular disease be taken care of by the surgeons within our system here, you can reach us at our phone number, or you can visit us on vegasvascular.com, and we have informative videos on other vascular conditions as well as what a vascular surgeon would offer in order for you to be able to be treated for those conditions.